Hello, everyone. Welcome to another stage in Learn Digital Skills. So, today we are going to be talking about fonts, how we can download our fonts and install our fonts in our computer or PC. All right, so without waste of time, let's get started. All right, if we are to install a font in our computer, first all you have to do is make sure you are connected to the internet because we are going to be using a website to download rather. Okay, so after you connected to the internet, then you just come right to your browser. I'm using Chrome. I prefer to use Chrome. So just click on your browser and it's going to open up. Good. Now when it opens, let me maximize. Now when it opens, I'm going to be searching for the fonts. That is where I actually download my fonts. So the font.com. All right. So this is where I actually download my font. So now when you open it, this is how it looks like. So you just come down here. Okay, you've seen different fonts. Wow, there's so many amazing fonts here. If there's a font you actually know the name of the font but you don't have it, you can actually come here to search for it. This is the search icon. You can search for it right here. All right, so I'm just going to, let's say I want to download, okay, this font. So just come to download and click on download. All right, so after you've downloaded it, now I'm just going to go to my files. I'll click on my files. Now it's actually going to be downloaded as a zip file. Okay, all right, this is it here. I'll click on it, then you right click. So this is what I'm using. I'm sure most of you must have installed WinRAR, then extract files. Now it's going to extract the file here. Just click on OK. All right, this is it here. So now it has been extracted. So I'm just going to open this. Now when I open it, now this is the font here. So I'm also going to open this font, double click on it, and it's going to open it. So now after we open it, we are now going to install. So remember, when you are downloading a font, make sure you download it as a zip file. Good. All right, so this is it here. It has opened. So after this, you just come right here. This is the install and click on install. Now it's installing it. Good. It has been installed in my desktop. All right, so you can do this for any other fonts you need. All you just have to do is go there, search for a font, and use. If you need a cursive font, you can just go there, keep searching, whichever font you like, you can download. So you can actually download so many fonts. It's all up to you. All right. So the name is Perfect Bold. So now we are now going to open a file and see if we are going to say, okay, let's be opening the CorelDraw. Even if we are to open the Photoshop or Illustrator or even that of the Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and that requires us to type and use that particular font, we are still going to see. So the installing is not just for maybe CorelDraw. It is actually for any software that actually requires us to use fonts and that we can change the fonts. So let me cancel this. Okay, let me create a new document. Okay. All right. So now let's have the text here. All right. So we said the name was perfect. Let's check for it. All right. This is it here. So I'll just click on it. This is the font. So this is the font we actually just downloaded and we've installed it. So this is the font and it's now installed in our PC. Good. So now we now have the font. So it's now left for you guys to install whichever font you want. It's your choice. You can install any one of your choice. All right, so this is all about how we can install and download and also to install fonts in our laptop, desktop, or PC or whatsoever. All right, so it is the same process if you're actually using Mac or Windows. It's still the same process. You just go to your website, whichever browser you use, search for the font. That is where I actually download my font, and it's so easy to download fonts there. Then you install it and then you can use it. So anytime you see me use the kind of font you don't really have, so there's a way you can actually get it. You just have to search for it, or maybe you can ask for the name of that particular font by dropping it on the comment section. Tell me what the name of a particular font is, then I'll reply you immediately. Then you can search for it on that font and download. You will definitely see it there because that is where I download my fonts from. All right, so this is all what we're going to be taking for today. So see you guys in our next class, and also do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I know some of you must be waiting, so you can actually hit the subscribe button. And do not forget, drop a comment. Let us know how you feel about the video. If you really enjoyed it, let us know. So we'll see you guys in our next class, and stay safe.